Sha'arei Eliyahu is not just another Bet Knesset or Bet Midrash. If someone would ask me, summarize the essence of Sha'arei Eliyahu and the Rabbi, Harav Yosef Akilov, that leads them in just a few words, I would answer them, Misur Nefesh Lekahal, self-sacrifice for the community. Might not have the biggest building, but what we lack in Kamut, the Rabbi certainly makes up for in Echut. From the daily and the weekly tefillot to the Gemara and the Musar classes, the Shalom Bayit seminars, the couples events, the Chanukah and the Purim parties, the Yamim Noraim services, the all-night learning on Hosha'ana Rabbah and Shavuot, the Avot Ubanim program. These are just a few examples of how much the Rabbi invests into the community to make sure that there is a brighter future tomorrow. He's not done yet. We want to bless the Rabbi so that he should continue in his holy endeavor. He should continue spreading the Holy Torah to many more individuals. The job is not done yet, and he should have Chatzlacha Rabbah in his continued endeavors.